I'm Adrian Richardson and I'm going to show you how to cook my sweet soy chicken wings. They are so delicious. Now it starts with some lovely chicken wings and you can see I've taken the tips off these chicken wings because it makes it so much easier to cook. Now the first ingredient I'll add is coriander. I've got half a bunch of coriander, nice and finely chopped, and you just sprinkle that over the top. The next thing I'll add is some lemon juice. About 1/4 cup goes on there. Now you need some sugar to sweeten it up, and I'm using brown sugar. About 1/4 cup of brown sugar goes on there. That will make it even sweeter and stickier than you can imagine. Now I like oregano, so I'm using some dried oregano, but feel free to experiment with whatever herbs you like. About 1 teaspoon of that goes on the top there. Now we want some soy in here, and I've got some ketchup mayonnaise. A good 1/2 cup goes on there. That'll give it some real stickiness. And I've got some garlic, about 1 tablespoon of garlic that's been finely crushed. Now, I love using black vinegar, one of my favourite ingredients. It's got some great acidity and an amazing flavour as well. Easy to get in most supermarkets. Now, ginger gives it a great flavour, and I've got about 1 tablespoon of finely grated ginger. That will be amazing. Now, we also need some salt, a good sprinkle of salt on here, and of course, you've got to twist some pepper on top. Now, to help lubricate the chicken wings while they're cooking, I like to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. That'll make it taste even better. Now, I like to have some chili in there because I like a lot of heat. I've got 2 long red chilies that I'll slice all the way through here, and I'll leave the seeds in because I like them nice and hot. Cut them all the way up to the caps, and then you just throw the chili straight into the chicken wings. Now normally I would let my chicken wings marinate overnight at least, and that allows all the flavours to come together. But I'm hungry. I want to get these onto the Ziggy barbecue because I want to eat them straight away. So once you've stirred the marinade in, it's time to put them on the Ziggy. So I've got my Ziggy on already, and what I've done is I've put the outside burners on, and that way I can pop my chicken wings down through the centre here, and I know they'll cook to perfection without burning from underneath. It's a great way to use a simple barbecue as an oven, and I reckon that is really, really clever. And then all you need to do is just pop the lid down like this. You can hear that sizzle, and these wings will cook to perfection. They smell fantastic, but have a look at the barbecue. There's a little bit of mess on there, but I don't need to worry about that. I've got a great cleaner that will look after it. Now for the chicken wings. They look like great sticky chicken wings and lots of crispy bits on there. All you need to do is pick that up like that and have a little taste of it. Oh, that is fantastic. Meat just falling off the bone. That's a great chicken wing.